Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be checking all the fluids and the fluids that go in the vehicle by the manufacturer's specifications. Here we have your oil fill. It says it right on it, manufacturer recommends 5W20, so that's where you would fill your oil. You can use a funnel, fill it up, and check your fluids with the oil dipstick, which is located right next to it with the orange cover. It shows a symbol of an oil can. Just pull that right out. Get yourself a clean rag, wipe it clean, and now we can see the actual indicators. That's low and that's high. Honda doesn't mark it at all, doesn't say high or low or hot or cold. It is just that's full and that's at a quart. Should always be in between those two dots. And if you're checking your fluid, make sure you put the dipstick all the way down, snap it all the way down to recheck it. We're right there, it's perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.